In this video, we are going to do an experiment to see the conduction of electricity. Here I have taken these steel rods. I will insert it into the socket. I have removed the plug before inserting the rod. I am separating the rods with the wooden stick, as it's an insulator of electricity. I am connecting a filament bulb. The wires will be connected to the rods. So when I press the switch, the bulb glows and eventually got off. It shows no current. The rods aren't touching the metal contacts. Okay, so the problem was with the loose contact. Now when I touch the rods, it don't give me any shock. Now the question is why I don't get electrocuted. The answer is the electron tends to flow towards the least resistance path. So as you know, the metals are a good conductor of electricity, while human body is comparatively more resistive. So if the circuit is closed, the current will flow across the easy path. But if the circuit is open and we touch the live wire, our body will be the easy path. Hence we will be electrocuted. Okay, hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.